I've made $1 million by age 24 and $2 million by age 28. By the time I am 32, my goal is to have cleared 10 million. And there's just one main skill that got me those results that I'm going to share with you today. And every time I have given preference to spending my time using other skills, I have always made less money. I picked up many new skills in 2020 and 2021 that did not translate specifically to making large sums of money. For example, I became better at Photoshop, better at Keynote, better at Adobe After Effects, programming, Final Cut, and more. None of those skills inherently matter very much at all, in my opinion, to the high-level entrepreneur who makes more money than 99.9% of humanity. You can disagree with me, but I know without a doubt the one skill that trumps everything. Go ahead and smash that like button and I'll tell you right now. Okay, thanks for that. Here it is. The one money-making skill that trumps everything is marketing. Marketing is being able to make a crazy, interesting, or unique claim, and then backing it up with proof right then and there. That is mostly marketing in a nutshell. Saying something that sounds awesome, and then immediately backing it up without lying about it or exaggerating about it. You've seen the marketing on YouTube where the title is like, "I juggle 3 live grenades with my left hand while hiking Mount Everest naked, while reading and understanding The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, while making this vlog from a tripod which is actually tied to my knee as we speak, while walking my dog." Now, if someone pulled that off and backed it up and then made a vlog about it, it's just marketing. It's marketing through and through using exclusivity and uniqueness to drive interest and desire. Another simple perspective on marketing is the ability to write ads, which means the ability to write sales messages, which means copywriting and psychology, and being able to get strangers to sign up and pay for your offers 24/7 without you physically being there. But there is a part 2, because just being good at marketing alone doesn't mean you'll make millions like me or anyone else for that matter. Also, just as a side note, I've made my money/millions from selling products and services, not from doing vlogs, as of yet. Here's the thing. You have to actually consistently write ads that sell a product or a service. You have to actually consistently make your sales messages transform your offers into irresistible specimens. For all of 2020 and 2021, I focused exclusively on product development. I think I succeeded in content value, but where I went wrong is with the volume of content or quantity of content that I actually made. I definitely know for certain that product development does not inherently lead to making more money or money at all for that matter. But my actions didn't suggest that I knew that. Apparently. I wanted to make the iPhone 13 Pro Max equivalent of a business, marketing, and sales training course that was super fun to take and super accurate and timely, which is to be discovered based on my ability to communicate/market it. On a separate note, I overlooked an obvious potential issue with the training course. It's long, like real long, and it requires a way above average attention span to simply get through all of the training, videos, and content. But obviously, since I've created it and know everything that's inside of it, I could realistically create a quick reference guide out of it as an alternative to watching all of the video content to reduce the time it takes to get through the training by about tenfold. This way the entrepreneur can get the full story or just the core actionable steps that they need to do right away to get the results they're after. Sort of like reading the whole book versus just simply checking the spark notes to get the core gist of it. Okay, I've went on a bit of a tangent, but my point is this, and this is a belief statement that I believe is true. I think it's easier to be a more successful and better marketer when the product or service you're simply offering is just simply better. Better in the sense that it is actually unique and has exclusive advantages associated with it that other competitors simply cannot match or duplicate in their marketing, at least without not putting in a ton of time and money and energy to even take a crack at what you're able to do and offer in your marketing for your product or service. For example, the iPhone, in my opinion, and again, this is just my opinion, is the most obvious phone to buy and use if you want the best looking, best performing phone. Period. Therefore, long-winded sales presentations and demonstrations really aren't going to be needed for a type of product that can demonstrate how great it is just by looking at it and using it for about 30 seconds. What the product can do speaks for itself. Without too much demonstration needed, from a marketer. So in effect, I made a mistake, I think. I wanted to make a business training course product that did not need remarkable and incredibly good sales messages to actually sell it. Like an iPhone, I wanted to have it basically be able to demonstrate its own value just by peeling it back and playing around with it and looking at it and using it for a little while to see just how well the product can market itself by putting in that long duration of time and energy and money into it. And whether or not that was the right choice remains to be seen after I get out there and actually start pushing it forward towards the masses. What I forgot is a course is not an iPhone. And when selling an information product, most of the marketing that you will literally do is based off the strength of the guarantee that it will produce results for the participants who follow through on the course and information. And a multi-thousand-dollar course generally will need exceptional marketing / sales messages written by an exceptional marketer. So here's the main point for anyone who's still trying to achieve their first $250,000 plus year in business, or entrepreneur who's still striving to make their first $1 million. Focus 99% of your time and energy on the skill development portion of doing marketing itself, which is just sales multiplied through media. This includes studying, writing, and creating sales messages, aka ads, for a selection of products and services. Study people who are extremely good at writing or speaking out sales messages. Then go ahead and write sales messages of your own for your own product or service or someone else's. Honestly, this advice is actually so easy and so simple that 99% of people just won't do it out of lack of discipline or belief or out of distractions. But screw all of that, screw the distractions, screw the evidence that you need for this. This is the truth. And if you have the discipline to get good at ads and get good at therefore marketing, you will make far more money if you put this into application and you don't quit than 99% of humanity. I can seriously promise you that. Again, this is the main skill that matters. Don't be one of those 99.9% of people. Be the 0.01% for reals. I personally had fallen into the trap of thinking if I had just designed an insanely amazing product that I wouldn't have to think so much about how to market it or create sales messages or ads around it. This was wrong. No matter how good your thing is, you still have to be a decent marketer with a basic understanding of how to target your ideal customer and how to write and send those sales messages to them. The one skill that matters for making millions is marketing, period. End of story, no debate. As someone who has personally made millions, I am proof you can forget the fundamentals when you don't practice the fundamentals. Don't make the same mistakes I made. I hope you found this video valuable. Smash that like button if you have not already. It helps grow the channel, myself, and make better content for you. All right, I love you guys. Peace.